In this video, I'm going to talk about a key distinction that I've been thinking about lately as I just consumed the book Decoding Greatness by Jon Phenom. Friedman talks about collecting. In my scenario, I like to think about case studies. I've collected many case studies in the past of different clothing companies. And so for you might want to have a collection of brands that you think have done really successful and have proven a model or a pathway. But in any case, creating a collection of successful brands and then trying to decode their greatness by trying to recreate a blueprint or a skeleton blueprint of how they got there. I think the biggest thing is to predetermine your audience. And if you zoom out on any brand that you think is successful, I'm pretty sure you're gonna see this commonality, which is they have a culture attached to it. If you needed help launching anything on your brand, I would implore you to look at starting with t-shirts and hats or any of my other solutions.